What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Investing with Raph, where I talk about everything investing and investment. And in this video, I am going to be bringing you the best and the best of the best of the best stocks, all under $5. Yup, you heard me. $5. Okay, so before I get into this video, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you see the bell notification, don't forget to click on it so that you get notified whenever I do a new video. If you see this on Facebook, like, share, and comment. All right, let me get into the video. So the stock market was hit lately, and I was like, okay, what's up for the taking? So let me go and check stocks below $5. And as you know, I always like to bring to this channel stocks below $10 because most people can actually afford it. Very few people can afford stocks $100, $200, $1,000, $2,000, but most people can actually bring out money and buy things below $10. All right, so here is the list. I stumbled upon two links. This one is the first one. It's filled with mostly $4 stocks. I think there should be Nokia should be here. It's filled with things below $4 stocks. Nokia, okay, yeah, Nokia is right here. So mostly $4, $3. I don't think anything below $3 is here. Then this is the second link that I actually like the most because it kind of comes with things below $1. These are things you see in crypto. Below dollar stocks are mostly things you see in crypto. They actually have penny stocks, but I'm just saying like they're in the Nasdaq and stuff. So it's very rare. So this is 0.85. This is 85 cents. I think I saw 52 cents somewhere. Where is that? Are you going to hide from me now? Come on. Okay, so here is 65 cents. Here is 79 cents. Here is where's that $52, 52 cents stocks I saw? Okay, did I just scroll past it? Okay. Okay, I'm just going to leave that. Okay, this is 60 cents. So it will be weird if I see one that is 50 cents, All right. So here is the list is going to be in the description. Let me just show you guys. So you need to do your own research. Don't forget, doing your own research is very, 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 very important. Do your own research. If you don't know how to do your own research, you really need to learn. If you've taken any of my courses, you know what I mean by now, and what you should look out for when you want to really go into checking out these stocks. Let me just check out Nokia. And also there's one more thing I'm trying to figure out. I'm still thinking whether if I should do like a series on these $5 stocks. If you guys feel so please leave it in the comments. If you want me to do a series on this, leave it in the comments. I am going to check it out. If you also have any questions, leave it in the comments. You can always email me. I will reply to you immediately. You can always get me on Twitter. You can also leave the comments on Facebook. You can message me on Facebook. That's the Facebook page. I'm going to get to you. But either way, just know I am always there for you, and I will always be there for you. So just reach out to me. Let me see Nokia. Okay, Nokia is $4.20, and they have their earnings coming up in 4 days. So all right, for those of you that own Nokia stocks, just like myself, you should be excited about the earnings that are coming. I hope they go far because Nokia is a 5G stock. If you are very familiar with my series, the link to that series should be up. It's also going to be in the description. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to do your own research. All right, guys. Till the next video.